Well, I think what's happened in COVID over the last year and a half is that it has moved in waves, and oftentimes Ireland has been at a different stage of the wave to other European member states. So certainly today, and the Taoiseach at the European Council this week will be listening very carefully to what's being said by European colleagues and observing how they deal with the issues. Clearly, the issue of booster doses is very, very important. They've been shown to have remarkable efficacy in Israel, for example. So we've seen the decision of NIAC in Ireland to allow booster doses for the over 60s, and we'll see how far that goes. I'm very concerned about healthcare workers, a lot of whom were vaccinated in the early part of the year, and on whom we depend in the face of any potential COVID crisis. What we do know is the vaccines work. The vaccine is ready for breakthrough infection. It will protect you from hospitalisation and from death. And anybody who's not vaccinated should really think seriously about the benefits of a vaccine, particularly as we enter into the winter season. Ireland has a fantastic vaccine uptake rate, but we'd like to see the rest of the population get vaccinated too.